Mechanic kill in Bustamante highway crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 29-year-old Ramon Blake, a mechanic of West Park Avenue, Mayplain in Clarendon, died as a result of injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle accident along a section of the Bustamante Highway in the parish on Sunday, February 13. Reports coming from the Mayplain police are that at around 6:50 p.m., Blake was driving a Mitsubishi motor car along the roadway when he attempted to overtake a line of traffic and lost control of the vehicle. Blake ended up colliding in a Toyota motor car traveling in the opposite direction, and the other victims treated and admitted in serious condition. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.